Everyone thinks the best-selling truck seat covers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. We have the Skechers Memory Foam Seat Covers. Priced at $36.79, these caught my eye with their promise of comfort and style. If you're looking for a blend of comfort and protection, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Skechers Memory Foam offers a contouring feel that relieves pressure, ideal for those long drives. The combination of memory foam and air-cool mesh fabric means you stay comfortable and cool, no matter the weather. Plus, it's designed to fit most vehicles, so whether you drive a truck or an SUV, it should work just fine. With over 3,000 sold last month, people clearly trust it. Now, some people complained about it not being the easiest to install. Here's the thing though, once you get it on, the comfort truly outweighs that initial struggle. If you're someone who values comfort above all else, you'll probably find this a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort during long drives. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to install without any fuss. For the price, it gives solid value for the comfort it provides. Now, if that installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Cat Mesh Flex Seat Covers, Gray. We have the Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers in gray at just $29.74. I loved the breathable mesh design, which really stood out to me. If you want a stylish and functional option, this is definitely worth a look. These seat covers are all about protection and comfort. The breathable mesh not only keeps you cool, but also ensures a comfortable ride, especially during hot weather. It's made with durable polycotton, so you know it can take a beating from daily wear and tear. Plus, it's airbag compatible, which is super important for safety. With over 1,000 sold recently, it seems to be a popular choice among truck and SUV owners. Now, some users have mentioned that the fit isn't perfect on every model, but honestly, for the price and features, it's a minor issue. Most people will find it snug enough and appreciate the extra protection it provides. This is perfect for you if you have an active lifestyle and need something that withstands daily usage. Skip this one if you want a custom-tailored cover for a luxury vehicle. For the price, this offers great protection. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ultimate comfort and durability.
Product number 3, Cat Mesh Flex Seat Covers, Black. We have the Cat Mesh Flex Automotive Seat Covers in black, also priced at $29.74, and similar to the gray version. If you're a fan of sleek designs, this cover is definitely worth considering. Like its gray counterpart, this black version offers breathable mesh and is airbag compatible. The durability against spills and dirt makes it a solid choice for anyone who uses their vehicle for work or play. The honeycomb mesh promotes airflow, which means comfort on those long drives. Given the popularity, with 1,000 sold recently, this option is gaining traction. Now, some users reported that it can be a bit tricky to tuck in perfectly. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the comfort and protection it provides make it a worthwhile addition. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish black option that still offers comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more tailored fit. For the price, this is a smart investment. Now, if you're after something a bit more luxurious, this next product might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Aliexpress Leather Seat Covers. Right off the bat, the faux leather caught my attention. If you're after a premium look without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. These covers are made from premium leather and are waterproof, which is fantastic if you have kids or pets. They fit most vehicles and come with a 180-day durability guarantee. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the hidden fastening straps allow for safe airbag deployment. With over 1,000 sold recently, it seems that many people appreciate the balance of style and functionality. Now, some reviews mention that the installation could be slightly cumbersome, but honestly, once you get these fitted, the luxurious feel makes it worth any initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, easy-to-clean option. Skip this one if you need something super straightforward without extra steps. For the price, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was a sleek option, but if you have pets, you might want to stick around for the next one.
Product number 5, Riva Dog Truck Seat Cover. We have the Riva Dog Truck Seat Cover, priced at $93.49. If you're a pet owner, this one is designed just for you. It's built to withstand the wear and tear of active dogs, making it worth a serious look. This cover not only protects your back seat, but also features a unique design that allows your pets to have their own space while traveling. It's waterproof, ensuring that mud and spills don't ruin your interior. The honeycomb hard bottom provides stability, which means your pets can relax without sliding around during the drive. With a solid track record, it's a go-to for dog owners, especially with a 3-year quality guarantee. Some users found it a bit pricey compared to others, but honestly, if you have large dogs, the durability and protection this cover brings makes it a worthy investment. This is perfect for you if you travel with your pets regularly. Skip this one if you don't have pets or rarely use your back seat. For what it offers, it's a solid choice for pet owners.
To wrap up, we've covered a range of truck seat covers that cater to different needs, whether it's comfort, style, durability, or pet protection. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, so you can find the best fit for your lifestyle.